Hey Jules, welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in seeing how I take this look from day to night, just go ahead and stay tuned. Just give it up. I'm not your girl and I never will be. For this look, I only want to focus on the eyes, so we are gonna do that today. Everything else will be listed down below in the description box, so do not worry about what I use because I'm gonna tell you. But we're only gonna be using this Morphe 3503 palette on my eyes today, so this should be really fun and interesting. So after those two colors are applied, really take your time and blend. I mean, really blend. Just have a ball blending these two colors out, okay? Take your time. So I applied this metallic red just to the center for now. You'll see what we do later on. Now we're going to take this really pretty bronze copper color and we're going to start from the inner corner and sweep over into halfway past the middle of our eye, if that makes sense. And we're just sweeping it over on top of the red and just creating a nice, really beautiful, soft ombre-ish metallic. So it's going to be really pretty. So now we're going to use these two colors to smoke out this bottom lash line, and this just puts the cherry on top of the eyes. Gotta do the bottom lash line. No, I love an inner corner highlight. Yes. Oh, let's just do something to me. Now that you got your nice liner on, go ahead and throw on some lashes, honey, because where is you going without the lashes? Nowhere. So now you can go ahead and finish the rest of your face. Contour. Use your blusher as well if you want to add a little blush. Go ahead and just snatch the face, honey. Snatch the face. You got to contour.